Hello friends, in this video we will see the exterior angle of a polygon. Sum of exterior angle of polygon, how to find out. Okay, and in this video I will explain all the solved examples and all examples from exercise 3.2. Now let us start. What is first here? Sum of the measures of the exterior angles of polygon. On many occasions, a knowledge of exterior angles may throw a light on the nature of interior angles and sides. Now do this. Okay. Draw a polygon on the floor using a piece of chalk. Okay. As in the figure, a pentagon. This is the pentagon. It has 5 sides shown in the figure. We want to know the total measure of the angles. Okay. That is the measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 4 plus measure of angle 5. Now first start at A, okay, and walk along AB. Okay. On reaching B, you need to turn through an angle 1. When you reach, you have to turn this measure of this angle and then walk along the BC. At C, you want to turn with the measure 2. Again walk along CD. At D, you have to turn with this angle 3. Okay. Again walk along D. At E, you have to turn through the angle 4. And at again walk along EA and turn the angle 5. At that time, you see that what was the position at the A, you are in the same position. Okay. It means that you turn the total circle and its measure is 360. Okay. When you reach at C, you need to turn through the angle 2 to walk along CD and continue to move in this manner until you return to side AB. You would have in fact made one complete turn, and therefore the measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3 plus measure of angle 4 plus measure of angle 5, and that's equals to 360. Sum of the measures of these angles is 360. Okay. This is true whatever be the number of sides of the polygon. Okay. And therefore the sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360. Okay. Next, this is a simple example. Find measure x in figure. This is the figure. The measure of external angle is 110. This is a 50, 90, x. We want to find out, but we know that the sum of the measures of external angles of polygon, any polygon, is 360. Therefore, x plus 90 plus 50, 110 is equals to 360. 90 plus 50, you will get 140, 140 plus 110, 250. Therefore, x plus 250 is equals to 360. And again, x is equals to 260. Okay. Here 260 minus 250, you will get 110. Therefore, the measure of this angle x is 110. Next, you can try this also. Take a regular hexagon. Okay. All the sides are equal. Measure of interangles are also equal. It is a regular. Okay. What is the sum of the measures of its extra angles? It's clear that sum of measures of extra angle is 360. Again, he said that x is equals to y is equals to z is equals to p is equals to p is equals to r. Yes, the It's a regular polygon, and see this here, the measure of this angle is A, and the A and X are the linear pair. Okay, and therefore the A plus X is equals to 180, A plus Y is equals to 180, and therefore here you will get here, you can have the answer, A plus X is equals to 180, and here is also A plus Y that is also 180. If we equate this, A plus X is equals to A plus Y, this A get cancelled and you will get X is equals to Y, and in this way you can prove that is a Z plus A is equals to 180, Y plus A is equals to 180, they are equal, therefore Z is equals to Y, and hence the measures of all these extra angles are equal. Next, he asks the question, what is the measure of each extra angle? Okay, measure of each extra angle. It's clear that the sum of measure of each extra angle is a 360, and each extra angle, okay, now here are equal. How many extra angles are? There are the 6 extra angles. Therefore, if I take as a representative 6x, okay, x is equals to y is equals to z is equals to all are equal, and their sum is a 360. Therefore, x plus x plus x, that is equals to overall it is a 360, and therefore here x is equals to 360 upon 6, and here it will get 60. X is equals to 60 meter. Okay. Next, what he say that what is its interior angle? It's clear that as this is 60, these are the linear pair. Okay. 180 minus 60, and here you will get 120. You will get 120. Therefore, the measure of extra angle is a 60 degree. Measure of interior angle is a 120, and in this way. Okay. Now the next, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each extra angle has a measure of 45. Okay. Total measure of all extra angle is a 360. We know that. Measure of each extra angle is a 45, and therefore the number of extra angles n is equals to 360 upon measure of extra angles 360 upon 45, here you will get 8, and hence that polygon has 8 sides. Okay. Now we'll start the exercise 3.2. Now in the question number 1, find the measure of angle x. Find x. Now this x 125 and again 125. These are all the extra angles, and we know that the sum of the measures of extra angles for the polygon is a 360, and therefore the first we take this 125 plus this 125 plus x degree, and that is equals to 360. 125 plus 125, it is a 250 degree plus x degree, and that is equals to 360, and therefore this x degree is equals to 360 minus 250 is equals to 11 0 degree, and therefore the value of x degree is equals to 110. Okay, this is the answer. The same thing is also here. The sum of the measures of extra angles is 360, 60, 90, 70, x, as this is linear pair. This is the 90 degree, therefore this must be also the 90 degree. Now again, sum of measures of exterior angles of polygon is 360, and therefore the first angle is here is a 90, next 60, plus again here 90, plus 70, plus x degree, and that is equals to 360. Okay, now the sum of the measures of 90 plus 60, it's a 150, and 150 plus again 90, you will get 240, 240 plus 70, here you will get 310, 310 plus x degree, and that is equals to 360. Therefore x degree is equals to 360 minus 310 degree, and this equals to 50 degree. Therefore x degree is equals to 50 degree. Okay. Next question. Find the measure of each of external angle of a regular polygon. First 9 sides. The answer, solution. The measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon having 9 sides. Okay, and this equals to 360 upon 9. Okay, and therefore 9 ones are 9 fours are, okay, and that is equals to 40. Therefore measure of exterior angle is equals to 40 degree. Next here, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 sides. Therefore, again, the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 sides, and this equals to 360 upon 15. That 15 ones are 15 twos are 30 and 15 fours are 60, and therefore the measure of exterior angle of polygon is 24. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24? Okay. Therefore, now here we will apply the formula. Number of sides is equals to sum of exterior angles upon measure of exterior angle. Okay, and this will be 360 upon 24. Now the division, 24 ones are 24, 1, and the remaining is a 12, and 24 5s are 120. And therefore, number of sides is equals to 15. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? First of all, we will find out its exterior angle. Let number of sides be n. Okay. Therefore, now next exterior angle exterior angle is equals to 180 minus interior angle. Okay, and therefore here 180 minus 165, and here you will get 15 degree. Okay, this is the measure of exterior angle of exterior angle. What we want to find out, how many sides of a regular polygon, and therefore number of sides. Okay, number of therefore number of sides is equals to sum of exterior angle upon each exterior angle, and this equals to 360 upon 15. Okay, and divide it, then you will get, that is 15 ones are 15 twos are 13, 15 fours are 60, and that is equals to 24. Therefore number of sides is equals to 24. Okay, very easy question. Now the next question, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each extra angle 22? Okay, here 22 degree is not, that is here 22 is not divisor of 360. Okay, hence 22 degree is not possible for the exterior angle. Now the next question, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Suppose that is a 22. Suppose 22 is the interior angle, then exterior angle is equals to 180 minus 22, and that is equals to 158, and again 158 is the extra angle, therefore 158 is not divisor of 360. Hence it will, hence it is not interior angle. that is 22 is not the exterior angle as well as it is not the interior angle. Now the next question, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Okay, if we take the regular polygon with the sides 3, okay, it is here, and as this is the equilateral triangle and minimum interior angle, this is the regular, all the sides are equal and each angles are equal, and measure of each angle is a 60 degree. Okay, and therefore the measure of all angles are 60 degree. Therefore the equilateral triangle equilateral triangle being a regular polygon of 3 sides, okay, of 3 sides has least measure of an interior angle of 60 degree. Okay, now the next, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for regular polygon? From the above, it's clear that least interior angle is a 60, and therefore maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is equals to 180 minus 60, and that is equals to 120. Okay, this is the maximum exterior angle what is that? It is a 120. And in this way we have completed the exercise 3.2. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.